Hey, it's Richard again, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the hidden AI that's now appearing inside other applications. And today's application we're looking at is NetSuite. And NetSuite is slowly introducing some really powerful AI tools that can help make you working in the product amazing. And they're doing that with the help of another company that I want to highlight, which is Cohere. So I'm going to flip over and show you, if you go to Cohere, to take a look at some of the tools that they have. This is Command A, which is their latest model. There's also another model that they use called Command R. And you can see that they have both the ability to search on the web, the ability to do research, as well as regular chatting. And I think I can put in here one of my usual test chats, which is help me make a PowerShell script to update a bunch of user passwords in Office 365. And so, boom, there it is. It's giving you my usual test thing that I use, which is PowerShell scripting. So that's Cohere. And the people from Cohere are working with the people from Oracle NetSuite to embed features within the product that have AI components. And let me take you and show you one of those right now. So as you know, we're a consulting firm, so we do time and billing similar to like a law firm or CPA firm. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to enter some time into a text field. And in many of the text fields in NetSuite, there is a AI language or cleanup tool that is helpful with that's being helped by Cohere's generative AI. So let's take a look. I'm going to try to enter something here, and I'm going to get over to that text field, and I'm just going to put in some poorly worded language. I think even some misspellings in there that I would write to a customer as to what I did for them. And I get this tool over here that allows me to clean up or enhance that text. So first I'm going to click clean up, and it's going to invoke some of that Command A, Command R magic in the background to clean up that text, and boom, it did it. It can also expand on that, make it a little bit longer. And so you'll see it's going to now generate some text that is a little bit more verbose, right? That talks about what it did and what I did, rather. So what's interesting is in these text fields, there's a bit of context provided to the AI engine as to about what field I happen to be on at the moment. And so that's some of the power of having an AI engine built directly into the product. So that's really about all I'm going to show today. A key thing to know is that we're going to see in 2025 NetSuite release a variety of AI features built into the product. There's this text enhance that's available now. There's a variety of other things like financial exception reporting, which uses an AI engine to look over all of the finances, and anything that appears to be out of place, bubble that up to the surface in a report. So you're going to see that plus a couple of other ones that are coming that are on the roadmap. And I think that's the power of having AI infused into the body of an amazing product like NetSuite. So if you have any questions about this, definitely reach out to us at Millennium. We're here to help. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.